Alright y'all, welcome back to yet another episode of Stock Lock Sunday. Very excited. This time around we got it's a Master Lock Series 6835, and actually if you've seen the last recent video, a package opening, it was from Pickaholic. He sent this one for the Locks Without Borders collection. I figured let's go ahead and pick it, because you all know I'm fixing to take a break for a week or two, so I ain't had time to either purchase some more or come across any more. So let's pick this bad boy. It's nice. Little Master Lock. Nice shape. Now when he did send it, I think there was the screw in there. There's the key, by the way. The screw was loose right there, and I took it apart and realized that it was cross-threaded. So I've got that repin kit for American locks that comes with a bunch of these things, so I just replaced the screw and now it's nice and tight and everything's copacetic, so good to go. And the weird thing is the screw that I replaced it with, the new screw, was identical to the one that was in here, so I'm not sure. Maybe it was just that one bad screw, I'm not sure, but it wouldn't thread in, so put a new screw in, good to go. Like I said, copacetic. So here we go. Enough blabber. Let's lock the lock back up. Come in a little bit here. Maybe like that. Is that alright? That'll do her. Top of keyway with a bent tension wrench. And I'm going to be using there's a little ledge on the right hand side right there. And I'm going to use this Peterson, I think it's the short hook. It's got that flat top, because it fits nice. If you use that ledge right there, it actually fits right on in there, so it works good. I just picked it a minute ago. Not too bad, but it's a Master Lock. I consider them more fun to pick than anything. Alright. Going into the back. A nice little click there. Trying to feel for some feedback, and I'm not feeling anything, so I'm going to let something go. Let me get that tension wrench up out of that. There we go. I think I was bogarting the keyway. Alright. Nice little click in the back. Nice little click up front. All the way in the back again. Feedback. Counter rotation, actually. Oop, might overset that one. Yep, let it drop. There we go. It felt good. We're in a false set. I'm missing something here. Okay, now it just dropped real deep. Alright, coming back out. Gosh, I thought that just opened. Alright, I'm missing something here, because we're in a seriously deep false set. There it goes. Silent but deadly. So there we go. Not bad. Like I said, Master Locks, they're absolutely wonderful if you're just starting to pick, I think, and they're fairly cheap to pick up, so I think they make great locks to practice on. If you're just getting started, I'd get just a bunch of Master Locks and just pick the heck out of them to practice. Alright, so we're open. Let's go ahead and gut it. Why not? Just to show that everything's in there and I'm not picking a 1-pin lock or something crazy like that. Alright, now I say we're going to go, okay, it's got a clip on it. Now this one, I don't think it could have been bypassed because I think it has to have that lobe going the same direction as the key, but I could be wrong. I've said that before. We got a key, so I'm going to lock it. Where's my little plier? Here we go. Okay, see if we can pop this clip off of here without killing ourselves. Just like that. Okay. Definitely has some grease on it. Just about ½ pound. Alright. Pin and tray. Bada boom, bada bang. Yeah, I've been running around the house like a chicken with my head cut off, man. Trying to get everything prepared and yeah. Just going crazy. Going crazy. Alright. Now it does have that little slit for the clip, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. Put a little shim in there just so nothing gets caught on that little booger. That'd be my luck. Where's my little guy? Come on, little guy. There you are. Beautiful. And it's got the 5 like they normally do, so when I'm done here I'll probably go ahead and put that 6th one in there since I got that, again, that repin kit. I'll tell you what, those repin kits, it's called the, I guess, the American Lock Service Kit. That thing is phenomenal. I picked that one up, I think, from Mr. Lock. Comes with all kinds of wonderful stuff in it. I've used it several times already. It's just a great, great kit. They're a little pricey, but considering what you get, I think it's worth every penny. Alright, little guys. Golly, these things are small. Jesus. Alright, a real pain in the ass, obviously stock. Okay. I think I'll remember what the front is, but I like to mark them, so we will. Just to make sure it goes back exactly how I had it. Shim. Bada boom, bada bang. Where are we at? There we are. Looks like a spool. Looks like another spool. Looks like yet another spool. we're on a roll. Anybody want to guess? You got it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And last but not least, golly, another spool. Oh, no, it's not. That one's serrated. Really light ones, though. Master lock serrations, like basically not serrated. Give you a little close-up on them. There we go. So spools in 1 through 4, and then a slightly serrated in number 5. Again, Pickaholic, thank you so much for sending this lock in for the Locks Without Borders collection. It's a wonderful addition to the collection. And again, like I said, when I get back, y'all, I am going to start doing something for everybody that sends in. I'm going to move the microphone real quick. For everybody that sent in a padlock for that Locks Without Borders collection. Just to, I don't know, I think it'd be nice. So basically that's it. So that'll wrap up this episode of Stock Lock Sunday. Thank you all so much for tuning in. As always, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please comment. And if you're not subscribed yet, you're crazy. Please do so. All right, Big Al signing out.